15 Design Principles to make your business transformation successful. Design principles are misunderstood and misused. They have a specific role in business transformation. They will not only speed up your transformation, they will make it successful. Business transformation design principles are a set of guidelines that do two things, and two things only. 1. Address concerns and tensions. 2. Define the scope of what the transformation aims to do and doesn't. These principles help ensure that the transformation efforts are well planned, effectively executed, and aligned with the organization's goals and values. What are design principles? Business design principles are foundational guidelines that inform the creation and development of business strategies, products, and services. These principles guide the alignment of user needs, creative thinking, and business goals, resulting in effective solutions. Design principles are made of 4 parts. Number 1. Name, the name of the design principle. Number 2. Statement, what it's about. Number 3. Rationale, why do we have it? Number 4. Implication, now that you have adopted this principle, how will you use it? Here are some common business transformation design principles. Principle number 1. Clarity of purpose and vision. Clearly define the purpose of the transformation and create a compelling vision. Principle number 2. Customer-centric approach. Understand customer needs, preferences, and pain points to design solutions that enhance their experience and deliver value. Principle number 3. Agility and flexibility. Design the transformation process to be agile and adaptable to changing circumstances. Principle number 4. Cross-functional collaboration. Foster collaboration across different departments and functions. Break down silos to encourage information sharing, knowledge transfer, and a holistic approach to problem solving. Principle number 5. Data-driven decision-making. Base transformation decisions on data and insights rather than assumptions. Collect, analyze, and interpret data to make informed choices and measure the impact of changes. Principle number 6. Leadership commitment and engagement. Secure commitment from top leadership and involve them actively throughout the transformation process. Principle number 7. Empowerment and ownership. Encourage employees to contribute ideas, suggest improvements, and participate in the implementation process. Principle number 8. Clear communication. Establish a robust communication strategy to keep all stakeholders informed about the transformation's progress, goals, and changes. Principle number 9. Change management. Implement effective change management practices to address potential resistance, manage emotions, and facilitate a smooth transition for employees. Principle number 10. Focus on people and culture. Align cultural values with the desired outcomes of the transformation. Principle number 11. Risk management. Identify potential risks and challenges associated with the transformation and develop mitigation strategies. Addressing risks proactively can prevent disruptions and setbacks. Principle number 12. Technology enablement. Leverage technology to support and enhance transformation efforts. Implement tools and systems that streamline processes, improve efficiency, and enable innovation. Principle number 13. Continuous learning. Promote a culture of continuous learning and development. Encourage employees to acquire new skills, adapt to changing roles, and embrace new ways of working. Principle number 14. Measurable outcomes. Define clear and measurable key performance indicators, KPIs, to track the progress and success of the transformation. Regularly assess performance against these metrics and make adjustments as needed. Principle number 15. Sustainability. Design the transformation to be sustainable in the long term. Consider the environmental, social, and economic impacts of the changes and aim for solutions that create lasting value. Conclusion. In conclusion, the second benefit of design principles is that you will speed up the transformation as there is no more debate about what is in and what is out of scope for the project and program, and why, because you have already done it and agreed to it. Before you go, don't forget to sign up and get your free gift, the 6 Steps to Business Transformation Success ebook covering the 6-step Agile Business Transformation Framework trusted by the UK government, FTSE 100 and fast-growing companies too. Set up and turn around their transformations and join the top 30% of organizations that make business transformation a success the first time on time, and not join the 70% that failed. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you are in a good mood, leave a rating and review, and let us know in the comments below what you would like to see next. Hope you found a lot of value in this video. Thanks for watching.